Value added is the magic elixir that makes any client relationship more productive. Value added used to be more of a thing, but it's still the essence of differentiation in the marketplace. Value is the perceived enhanced benefit, usefulness, importance, or worth of a product or a service. It is what you sell. Without value, you have no business at all. Now, value added then is something extra and only comes from doing the unexpected. I'll say that again. Value added only comes from doing the unexpected. You create value added in your business by delivering an unexpected benefit, importance, or worth beyond the normal. If what you do is expected, well, then it's value included, or just table stakes. Really, the price of admission today. There isn't a lot of value added out there, in my opinion, today, so it can be easier to stand out than you may think. Here are 7 ways to deliver unexpected advisor value to your clients and prospects. Number 1, provide a comprehensive written policy summary and portfolio review at the time of sale and annually. Yes, every year. Make it a complete report that enlightens clients so that they know what they have and why they have it, unlike 62% of the North American public. Number 2, deliver your policies in an elegant policy wallet. Make it a special occasion. Make it something they just wanted to be at. Now, how about presenting it in a policy vault? Or maybe a portfolio, another portfolio, or in a policy box, if you truly want to stand out. Number 3, handwrite thank you notes and cards when no one expects them. Maybe for an appointment that you had, or at Thanksgiving, or maybe on St. Valentine's Day. Hey, we love being your advisor. Number 4, travel to see prospects rather than have them come to you. I know that might sound bizarre, but you can be easier to work with. You can save them time and money. Hey, there are Uber Eats. Why not be an Uber advisor? Number 5, arrange client birthday breakfasts and ask them to invite their associates from work or their friends and pay for them all. Impress the crowd. Number 6, promote other professionals that they need to know. Be their life and their business resource in all things professional. Number 7, stay in regular touch with them. Clients leave advisors primarily because they don't hear from you. Today, oddly enough, it's unexpected to stay connected. It's unexpected to stay connected. Now, the advantage to delivering value added is that your clients will actually brag about you and your service to their friends and associates. And you may not even have to ask for referrals. They'll brag about you. You'll come up in conversation. They know that you will make them look good before their friends. And that is the key to unsolicited referrals and recommendations. Hey, do you want to add unexpected value to your business? You can when you join Advisor Craft study groups at jimruta.com starting very soon. God bless, and I'll see you again next week.